Today we are going to start learning C programming language. Right. See here. Right. So we are going to start our programming career with a C programming. Of course, from all fundamentals and the complete logical programming we will discuss, including the pointers, structures, everything. You know that. But see, learning programming is very, very easy. As everyone is saying that it is difficult to understand the programming. No. How easy it is, I'll explain today. So one by one, I'll explain. So everyone will understand. Everyone. Okay? Right. See, so why we are learning programming? Tell me first thing. What is the need? What is the need of programming? Why we are learning? It's very simple. Once you are good at programming, what programmers will do? They will develop softwares. They will develop softwares, also called applications. So those softwares other people will use. Suppose if you want to play one video, yes, we use the software called VLC Media Player. So that is a program. Some programmers written that. See, now suppose here it is, I'm using one editor to explain, to write the text. To write the text, here I'm using one software called Edit Plus. Okay. If I want to create one document, we are using Word, MS Word. Any presentation, PowerPoint presentation, PPTs. See the first simple point. Okay, we are going to do something. Why we are learning driving means what? Just to drive the car. Either is a own car, as a driver I want to join. In the same way, what we are doing, a simple questions we need to understand first. That is the concept of every programmer. Okay, I'm learning every day, I'm attending the classes. Why? Any reason? What is the purpose? Yes. Developing the applications. Developing the softwares. That is. Okay. Now, here it is. After learning this one, so what type of applications we can able to develop? It's very sure. Two types of programmers are there. Sir, I want to settle as a C developer only. I don't want to learn any programming language. After C development, with the C++ also if you learn, you will become a gaming developer. Or next one, suppose if you go to embedded C softwares or any other, you can become embedded application, embedded software developer. Software developer. Very demanding things because everyone learning C programming as a beginner level so that they will start learning Java and everything. Of course, no problem. But with the C also we can settle. Okay, if you learn C++ perfectly, as a gaming development we can do. If you complete that embedded C, you can join an embedded software company. No sir, after completion of C, I just want to learn Java or .NET, right, or Python, anything. Okay, you can go with some other developments also, like banking applications, all web applications also we can develop. That is. So after learning, sir, what I can do? These are the questions. Okay. Now see, think about. So, okay, we are going to write programs, sir. Everyone will explain, start explaining from the programming called Hello World programming. Hello World programming. And seriously, they start explaining from like this, hash include stdio.h. So whatever, if you have seen some code, I'll not explain, of course. Okay. So some code is there. So this is the first program. So Hello World you have created. No. The first question is, what program contains exactly? Think about the real-time approach. Okay. So what kind of applications we are developing? What is the program? Remember that. Suppose there is a student. Student is one program. Student is one program. Suppose a product is there, is a program. Customer is there, is one program. Teacher is one program. In banking application, account is one program. Mobile is one program. Always general thinking only. So learning programming become very, very easy. All these are okay, sir. I'm in banking project. Suppose consider I'm in banking project. Sir, what I should think about the account? Sir, hospital management system. Think about the patient and doctor. Sir, library management system. Teacher, student, book, librarian. So, what is your project? What is your project? Sir, it's a banking project. Then think about the programs. Account holder is one program. Bank manager is one program. Bank accountant is one program. Bank cashier is one program. People. All the people you can see in the bank are the programs. Sir, I'm writing Flipkart program. Customer is a program. Product is one program. Shopping cart is one program. General thinking very, very important. Sir, library management system. In library, what you can see first, books. Next, librarian. Next one, student. These are the programs. General thinking is very, very important whenever you start learning programming part. General thinking. Okay. Suppose I'm taking that banking project only. Banking only I'm developing. Sir, I'm writing account program. Can you please tell how to write account program? Yes. Okay. First of all, you need to think about every account holder. Every account holder has information that is called data. Suppose you have an account. You have an account, right? And that account data is there. Account data. So what is that? Account number. What is your account information? Generally, yes, account information is account number, account holder name, what is the balance in account, what is the PIN number, what is your mail ID, what is your mobile number. All these are called information of account. Good. It will store the data. So what is your account number? Sir, my account number is something. What is your name? The name is Srinivas. So the balance, for example, 5,600. Is PIN number, some PIN number. What is your mail ID? See, this is only. What is your mail ID? Suppose Srini@gmail.com. Suppose. Mobile, some mobile number I'm giving. See, this is the details actually. As a detail. Okay. This is basic. I'm writing program. Okay. So whenever you are writing program, how to write the programs? Simple way, everyone can write the program. Everyone. Okay. Everyone should develop the code. First of all, general thinking is important. General thinking. Sir, student, sir. Okay. Student number, student name. What is the course? What is the course fee? What is the mobile number of the student? What is the mail ID of the student? These are only details. These are only details. You will understand and you will work with these things only. First, you need to understand this. Sir, what are the variables? Variables means storing these details, nothing but technically called variables. Variables store the information. Variables store information. Simply. This is variable. Is a variable. Sir, I want to store PIN number, sir. PIN is a variable. 1, 2, 3, 4 is value. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a value. PIN is a variable. But the type is also important. Type. Sir, what is the type? These are the simple numbers we represent with int. We represent with the integer. Just int. That is. Now I'll explain all these things. And I will ask one question. You please write for that. Sir, suppose if it is a integer. Sir, it's an account number, na? Sir, it is so long. Some long numbers are there. Represent with the long. Type is also important. Long type. Sir, name. No one will tell you in the beginning of C language. Sir, I want to store name. It's a string. Character pointer. Clearly, I'll write here. Account details. Clearly, I'm writing. Account details, I'm writing. So don't worry. Everyone can write. Everyone. Not a big thing. Because today you have to write. Everyone should write one example. After my explanation. So please. The first one is same. Account number I want to store. Sir, long number means long type. Long type, just account number. ACCNUM. Any name you can give. I'm giving some account number. Okay. Next, sir, name. Srinivas, Ramesh, Ananya. More than one character. Letter you represent with the double quotes. Simple things, no hurry. Sir, see the name. I'm giving that. Representing with the character pointer. This is name, account holder name. Don't think much. Easy. Easy. Next one, what is the balance in account? Sir, maybe balance is 5600.50. Paisa also there. Whenever you write decimal part also, it is a float type. Float. Okay. Float type. Next one is float. PIN number. PIN number. Any PIN number. That is a simple integer number. So int. Sir, mail ID is a combination, sir. Same string only. String. Annie@gmail.com. Gmail.com. What is the mobile number, sir? Mobile number is very long. Okay. This is a mobile number. Okay. So next one is a male or female, gender. This is important. Just a single M or F you can specify. F, female. Multiple characters are no. It's a single character. So you please write only char, not character pointer. Star means many, multiple. Okay, that is like this. What I want, please use your chat box now. Please use your chat box now. I need, tell me student details. Student details you can tell. Okay, and employee details you can tell. Employee details. Any textbook details you can tell. Just try. At least three you try. Just drop in the chat box how you are thinking. Student details. Okay. Student ID. Student number. Student name. Course. Fee. Everything. Student ID, number, name, course, fee, like that. Okay. Now suppose here it is a employee details. Employee ID. Okay. What is that employee name? What is employee salary? Employee department. Right. Textbook details. What is the textbook name? What is the author name? How many pages are there? What is the price? Please, what is the color? Black and white or color? Any few examples you please drop with values just like this. Please. At least three. Everyone. I'm expecting from everyone. Everyone. Do this. Good. Good, Madhu. Good, Saujanya. Reminding. So everyone can write quickly. Any one example you take. Anyone, student, employer, textbook, no matter. At least one detail. One detail is enough. That's all. Okay, you just try. Then now, so after writing that, at least the variables, how to write variables once you learn. Next thing we need to understand. I want to store one value. Suppose A equals to 10 I want to store. Small value, no? I'm storing into A. So small value means what? Just into integer. Then what will happen? Just memory will be allocated for A. Inside that value 10 will store 10. Next I want to change the value. Second time please don't write int again. Only one time. Suppose 20. Suppose 30. Suppose 40. I'm printing A value finally. A. How it works? Now into A, 20 will go on store. So in the memory, the 10 will go on and the 20 will store. Next 30. So 20 will go on. Every time the value is changing. That you need to understand. Next 30 gone. The 40 will store. 30 is replaced with 40. So finally when I print A, it will not print 10, 20, 30, 40. That's very important. It will print only the last value, current value, it will print 40. Suppose one person age is there, age. 4 years back is a 23. So next year will change definitely. So we'll change to the 24. Next year will change to 25. Next year will change to 26. Every year will change. So whenever you are printing age, it always prints the current age only. So that is what 26 only will print. So how it will change, those things also I'll explain. For this, you have to answer. I'm taking one number like this. I'm taking one number like this. A equals to A plus 1. A equals to A plus 1. A equals to A plus 1. And finally, one more. A equals to A plus 1. And finally, I'm printing that A. Printing that A. Please try to execute this program simply. Program not required. Just analyze the code enough. Just give the output. Everyone can give simple. No, see, printf. I'm not explaining here C language code. If I want to write C language code, printf. Again, we need to write %d. Next comma. I need to write a. Not required. See, if you know the main points, logics and everything, learning programming is a 5 minutes task. Just 5 minutes task. Okay, na? That is later. I'm not explaining syntax, main method, hash include will come. But first of all, you should get some interest in programming. That's why these kind of programs. Okay. Just give me one day. We will install everything and we will write all programs. Don't worry. Do it. Just tell the answer. Only 2 people are responding. Others, please, quick. Let me explain. So no issues. I'll explain. First, A equals to 5. So A get memory and the value will store. So what is the value? Initially 5. Initially 5. The next one, how it executes? See, A value 5 will store here. 5 plus 1. 6 will store into A. Is very, very important. Right side expression evaluate will store into left side variable. So the 5 value is replaced with the 6. This is 5, na? Is 5. Now in the memory, 6 is there, not 5. So here 6 will store. 6 plus 1, 7 will store. So 7. Next here it is a 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So 8 will store. Next here 8. 8 plus 1, sorry, 9. So finally the value 9 will print. 9. That is output. Output is a 9. Like this. Okay. It will print the output is 9. Every time it will collect the value from the memory. How the value is changing. How the value is changing, that you need to understand. Simple. Let me give you one more example. Simple example. Same. Int A equals to 5. Right? A equals to A plus 1. A equals to A plus 2. A equals to A plus 3. A equals to A plus 4. Hope now everyone can give the answer. Do it right. See, so now again. That 5 plus 1 value. 6 will store. 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 will store. 8. Here 8 plus 3 is 11 will store. 11. So here it is 11 plus 4 is a 15. Is a 15 like this. So final output is a 15. That is the output. That is the output. Okay. Right. How the values are changing, how the values are storing, that is important. Try to understand everyone. One more. We'll see a few more examples on this. Try to answer everyone. I'm taking, see, int a equals to 15. I'm taking 15. Okay. Now I'm giving plus minus multiplication 2. So everyone give the answer. Easy things. Okay. Wait. A equals to a minus 5. Next again, a equals to a plus 2. Again, a equals to a minus 7. Again, a equals to a into 3. Finally, I am printing a. No problem, take time. Take time, but try to answer the codes. Everybody. Do it, everyone. Easy addition, subtractions, and multiplications. From the basic things only, you will become strong in programming. Yes, nice. Yeah, today you will get the course fee details, the complete PDF document, everything. So what we are going to cover, I'll show you actually the same thing you will get, the complete PDF document today. I'll just show you. The complete document also you will get. So what are the concepts we'll cover? Okay. Everything. See, sir, why you are not teaching these theoretical concepts first means what? So don't worry. Everything will cover. That is the reason we are sending this document. Each and every point will cover. But first of all, you should get some basic interest in programming. Once you good at the programming part, everything you will understand. All programs, in-depth programs, anything, all programs, everything you will get. For loop programs, while loop programs, right? Switch and loops, menu driven programs. See, range based programs, complete patterns, different types of patterns, all kind of patterns, how to develop all these things, these. Okay. And not only these, some more patterns are there. Okay. Unnecessary documentation every time, that's fine. It's a recursive arrays. In arrays also multiple examples. Here we shown few up to searching, sorting, two-dimensional, multi-dimensional, pointers, DMA. Complete material we will send. You need to practice from this material only. Okay, these are the concepts. Everything you will get. Just don't worry. Everything. These are the topics we cover. Functions, operators, control statements, loops, driven programs, nested loop, branch-based patterns, functions, arrays, string structures, unions, pointers, DMA, file handling, enumeration, type def, storage classes, command line arguments, and pre-processing. Okay, na? That is. It's not a big thing to understand all these things. Don't worry. Okay. Everything will start from the basic only. See, whenever we are writing the program, of course, from the tomorrow everyone can write. It's not big thing. Suppose here it is. Better we download and install C free, because writing with C free is easy. C free. Okay. Sir, what is this? Okay. I will not teach this in the beginning day. Because unnecessary things, some things if you are not understanding why, no use. So I'll show you. Today what we have discussed. Suppose int I am taking that sub n value is a 5. Okay. Then sir, second time I am writing n is equal to 6. I told you clearly. Whenever you are trying to execute that, you are getting the error. I told you na clearly. Don't write data type second time. Only one time. Now you will not get error. Sir, I am writing n is equal to 7. I am writing n is equal to 8. I am writing n is equal to 9. Sir, I am printing that n value. Now someone asked, na? Of course, at the time of programming, I'll explain all these things, but not in the practice paper. Okay, so when I run this code, now you will get the output. 9 is the output. 9. Okay, na? Everyone can program. Not a big thing. So suppose I'm writing like this. N plus 1. You practice just now. N plus 2. N plus 3. N plus 4. N plus 4. Now I'm writing. Look at that output, what you told? 15. Yes. 15. Sir, when we can write programs, sir? From tomorrow, everyone will write programs. Meanwhile, today, if you are capable, you please download and install the Edit Plus software. I mean, not Edit Plus, C Free directly install. C Free is a simple thing. I'll explain what is the purpose of get ch. Okay, all the things I'll explain. The situations come because in the first day, whenever I explain all those things means what? You will get confusion. But it's a simple story. But slowly, a few days, if you are doing some logical programs, at least 20 to 30 programs once you practice, then slowly theoretical concepts I will explain. Okay, complete theory also boring. That's why. Okay, na? Right. By tomorrow, everyone please download and install the software that is C free. No, sir. We already installed some other versions means you can use no problem. Why I am telling C free means what? Because it's very easy. The easy of writing programs. That's it. After writing the program with one click, you can see the output. One click. Okay. Not multiple things we are using. That's why I always support this C free. Okay. Tomorrow also please join with the same link only. Okay. Just today just the basic things we completed. From tomorrow onwards, everyone will start coding. Everyone. Slowly. Without knowing the things, I will not go forward. Every day, instantly, at the time of class only, we will practice. Just don't worry. Today, you will get the material, the PDF format of complete material, what we are going to learn. Okay. And other everything, the details and everything you will get. Hope you understood. Any queries? You please drop your message. If you don't have any query, you can leave for today. If you have any query, please drop in the chat box. I'll clear. Everybody. Please refer your other friends also in case anyone want to join a C language class. The course duration exactly 35 sessions. 35 sessions. What all the concepts I have shown and I'm specified in the document will be covered. Maybe 3 to 4 days is a late little. Okay, na?